Hello guys, welcome to my world, The Reading Realm. I'm Samir, and in this YouTube channel I'm going to share with you all my personal reading experiences with books and my personal favorite author and their recommendations, and I'm going to share with you all my book hauls and many more. So bear with me, and in this video I'm going to talk to you all with my personal favorite genre and these books. So bear with me, and without any further ado, let's get in the video. So yes, so I mean, there are some books, I don't know. So I'm going to start with a book that I truly love, which is by an international bestseller author, and I hope you have seen her throughout the bookstagram. And I truly love this author, and the book which I'm talking about is A House Without Windows by Nadia Hashmi. Take 10 seconds to just admire the cover. I truly love this cover. There's a woman sitting at the window. And House Without Windows. It's a book which is written through a perspective of this woman, Zeba. She is, kind of suspected to murder her own husband, and how she travels through all the tragedy, and her personal advocate Yusuf, how he make her woman win. I have read these books and I get to know that it it doesn't matter what's the religion, it doesn't matter what the country, the one who is surviving everywhere is the woman. And this book truly proves this. It's a heartbreak, heartbreak, literally. So if you want to read something like this, you are ready to go. Just pick this book anytime, and you are going to really enjoy this. So my second book would be my personal favorite book in my reading journey till now. I have never read any book which is closer to this. This is really close to my heart. These book characters lives in my mind every time. I'm not able to still overcome with the trauma that this book gave me, and it is nothing other than A Thousand Splendid Suns by Khalid Hossein. This is my favorite author in this personal genre, and this book, A Thousand Splendid Suns. I don't even have words to say about this book. This book, I know it's very, very popular, and it's very prominent across very nations. And you can just see the cover. It's A Thousand Splendid Suns. I think it's a 400 plus book. It's pure heartbreak. And as you can see, this book talks about a girl, actually two girls, Mariam and Leila. I mean, I want you to read the first line. I'll read the first line for you, which is, I even know that Mariam was 5 years old the first time she heard the word Alhamdulillah. I mean, how someone can resist themselves from not reading this book. I think you should definitely go and read this book, and if you haven't read this, you are missing on something masterpiece. So just go and pick this book. You are definitely not going to regret. So there's another book by Nadia Hashmi that is very beautiful. I just want to tell you the name. It's beautiful. The Pearl That Broke Its Shells. This book is so beautifully written by Nadia Hashmi. I think Nadia Hashmi is my second favorite author in this. And this book is also kind of very similar genre like A Thousand Splendid Suns. If you like that book, you can definitely go up to this book. This is A Pearl That Broke Its Shells. It's also pretty, and I think it's also 450 around book. It's not pretty thick book. You can read it and you will never regret. So now, this book is gifted to me by my best friend, and I'm truly grateful to those people who gift me books. And I'm talking about The Stationery Shop of Tehran. I mean, you have seen this book everywhere on the Instagram and bookstores. This is a very prominent book, and I just want to say about this book, if you want to read a love story which will make you feel guilty and heartbroken, and this book is like that, they were never meant to be. And I just love this book from every existing cell in my body. The cover is also very pretty. This story revolves around our main protagonist, which is Roya, and Bahaman, her lover, the stationery shop of Tehran. She used to spend her most of the time in that shop, and all the characters in this book have a very beautiful, you know, very beautiful. I just want to tell you all that the character in this book has a very beautiful performance according to their capabilities. Her, whether it's a, her sister and everything. I mean, this book contains so many letters. If you know, you know that if a book contains a letter, it's going to be heartbreaking, and that is it. It is a very wonderful book. So now, next book that I'm going to talk about, which is very very popular, A Little Life. I know it's very thick book. It's 700 plus book, and it's a pure heartbroken. I have read this book. This is completely magical. Who write this? Who write like this? These books. This is pure heartbreak. If you want to read a story which is full of guilt, and it's, a kind of story that tells you that friendship also very important. I want to read a one line in this book, which is, defined by observers that a devastating read that will leave your heart like the Grinch is a few size larger. Yeah, it is a truly masterpiece. And another book that I'm going to talk to you all about is again of Khalid Hosseini and the Mountain. I think it's underrated. I don't know, but this book is truly amazing. These children, one is Abdullah and second is Pari. These both are, siblings, and the story revolves around them, how they get, separated, and whether they meet or not. You're going to read up in this book. Not going to give you spoiler, but this is a pure heartbreak. If you want to read something like that, you can go. You can never be disappointed by Khalid Hosseini, you know. And the last book for today's video is The Kite Runner. I think I don't even have to say anything about this book. This book is truly amazing. You can just intrigued by the cover of this book. This book is not that much thick like Thousand Splendid Sun and the Mount Accords. You can read this book. Have you heard the quote "for you a thousand times over"? It is taken from this book. This book is completely a pure masterpiece. You can go anytime, read this book, and you will never be disappointed. This book will stay forever in my heart, and I'm not going to forget any character of whether it's Hassan, Amir. I love both of them from every existing cell in my body. So yeah, guys, that's all for this video. I hope you liked my video, and if you like, please consider subscribing my channel and like this video and share it with your friends who are the readers. And that's all for this video. I'm going to see you in the next video upcoming. So bye bye.